a group of workers can complete a certain job in 9 days. But it so happens that every alternate day, starting from the second day, 2 workers are withdrawn from the job, and every alternate day, starting from the third day, 1 worker is added to the group. In such a way, the job is finished by the time there is no worker left. If it takes the double time to finish the job now, find the number of workers who started the job, right? Find the number of workers who started the job. So interesting one. It says there is a group of workers, we don't know how many of them, who have, who can complete a certain job in 9 days. So they can actually complete the job in 9 days. But what happens? Every alternate day, starting from the second day, 2 workers are withdrawn. 2 workers are withdrawn from the job. And every alternate day, starting from the third day, 1 worker is added to the group. So there's some addition and removal happening on alternate days, right? On every alternate day starting from the second day, which means second day, fourth day, sixth day, eighth day, and so on, 2 workers are withdrawn. But every alternate day starting from the third day, which is third day, fifth day, seventh day, ninth day, 1 worker gets added to the group. In such a way, the job is finished by the time there is no worker left. So this job gets finished by the time there's no worker left. So finally, when the day we find that there's no worker, the job is finished, right? If it takes double the time to finish the job now, understand, now it takes double time to finish the job. Earlier it took 9 days. Originally it takes 9 days. A group of workers can complete a job in 9 days, but now it takes double time. So double time, can we directly say 2 into 9, 18 days. So basically the job gets finished in 18 days, right? So it takes double the time to finish the job now. Find the number of workers who started the job. How many workers? This group of workers here, how many were there? Let's assume n. The number of workers were n. So what is n is the question here, right? Find the number of workers who started the job. So basically the job is getting over in 18 days, and we start with n workers, but every day some changes happen. So let's understand this changes here, right? Like first day, second day, third day, fourth day. I mean, let's just do it this way to see. It's easy. I mean, I know it looks a little time consuming. Actually it takes some time, but very easy to crack this way. It's like one single step that you need to perform after you have understood the way additions and subtractions are happening. So these are days, day 1 to day 18, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18 days. Now we'll start with n workers on the first day. What happens? Every alternate day starting from second day, 2 workers are withdrawn. Every alternate day starting from second day, 2 workers are withdrawn. So basically, on second day, what happens? There will be n minus 2 workers. 2 workers are withdrawn. So on second day, only n minus 2 workers will work. But every alternate day starting from the third day onwards, every alternate day. So every alternate day from second day means what? Second, fourth, sixth, 8th, 10th, 12th, and so on. There's some change that happens. And again, every alternate day starting from third day, there's some change happens. So third day to fifth day to seventh day, seventh day to ninth day, to 11th day, 13th day, 15th day, and 7th day, there's some change that happens. So we've got to understand this, right? Now what happens? Every alternate day starting from the third day, 1 worker is added to the group. 1 worker gets added to the group. So if on second day there are n minus 2 workers, on third day there will be n minus 1 worker. N minus 1. Understand? N minus 2 plus 1. N minus 2 plus 1. N minus 2 plus 1 makes it what? N minus 2 plus 1. N minus 1. Now fourth day minus 2. Minus 2 from what? From n minus 1. So n minus 1 is already there. Minus 2. It becomes n minus 3. N minus 3. Again, I cannot directly go to 6th day and say n minus 5, because on 5th day there's some change that happens. This becomes n minus 2. Why? 5th day 1 worker got added. Every alternate day starting from 3rd day. So basically on all the odd days, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, 11th, and so on, we are adding a worker. On all the even days, we are subtracting 2 workers. We are withdrawing 2 workers. So odd days you have to add 1. So n minus 3 becomes n minus 2. Then 6th day it becomes n minus 4. This becomes, n minus 3, right? This is n minus 5. This is n minus 4. This is n minus 6. This is n minus 5. You understand? And this is n minus 7. This is n minus 6. This is n minus 8. Subtracting 2, minus 6, minus 2. Adding 1, n minus 7. Again subtracting 2, minus 9. Adding 1, n minus 8. Subtracting 2, n minus 10. This is what happens. Why are we stopping on 18th day? Because it takes double the time to finish the job now. So by the time the job got finished, it took double the time. So 18 days. They could originally do it in 9 days, but now 18 days. Now, This looks to be lengthy, but in my view, the easiest way to solve, because you just have to now find out what is the sum of all this. That gives you the total work. See, understand, n work, what is the total work? You know that work is measured as number of people doing the work into number of days. Total work can also be measured number of people into number of days. So n workers can finish a job in 9 days. This total work can be finished by n workers in 9 days. So what is the total work? N into 9, which is equal to sum of all these. N, n minus 2, n minus 1, n minus 3, n minus 2, n minus 4, and so on. Why is so? On first day, n workers work. On second day, n minus 2 workers. So how much of work is over? N minus 2 into 1. See, understand, this is second day. This is not 2 days. This is second day. This is third day. This is fourth day. Here is fifth day. This is sixth day, and so on. This is not 13. N minus 6 persons will not work for 13 days. N minus 6 persons will work for 13th day. So on 13th day, n minus 6 persons work. So how much of work will they finish? N minus 6 into 1. On 14th day, n minus 8 people work. So on that one day, n minus 8 people work. So how much of work will get over? N minus 8. You getting it? So it is simply n into 1, n minus 2 into 1, n minus 1 into 1, n minus 3 into 1, n minus 2 into 1, n minus 4 into 1, n minus 3 into 1, n minus 5 into 1, n minus 4 into 1, and so on. Sum of all these will give you the total work done, which should be balanced with n minus 9. One equation, one variable you can solve. So of course, n is everywhere for all the 18 days. So 18n directly, right? N is 18 times 18n. Now we have to just take the sum of these numerical values. So 2 plus 1, 3, plus 3, 6, plus 2, 8, 12, 15, 20, 24, 30, 35, 42, 48, 56, 63, 72, 80, 90. I think we'll get 90 there. I don't see a pattern. I don't know if we can establish a pattern out of it. Minus 2, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, minus 4, minus 3. Is there a pattern there? 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5, 7, 6. Yeah, I mean, simple pattern is, you just add this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here it is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So sum of 1 to 8, sum of 2 to 10. I mean, if you don't want to do the addition one by one, you're able to follow. I mean, forget about 18 and n we have taken. You have to add all these new constants, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the sum of first 8 terms? 8 into 9 by 2. So 8 into 9 by 2 is 4 into 9, 36. So this will give 36. Now sum of, all these terms, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's like sum of first 10 terms. I mean, of course, 1 is not there, minus 1 is not there, but let's assume minus 1 is there. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, so on up to 10. What is the sum of first 10 terms? It will be 55. But from 55, this 1 is not there, right? So it has to be removed. It will be 54. This will give you 54. So 36 plus 54, 90. I mean, even otherwise you got 90. Solve for this. So 9n equals to 18n minus 90. So from this, what will be the value of n? 18n minus 9n, 9n equals to 90, n equals to 10. That's your answer. So 10 workers. Find the number of workers who started the job. 10 workers started the job.